Hey everybody, it's a beautiful day here in Estacada, Oregon. It's supposed to be almost 60 degrees today. I'm going to take this ugly looking chunk of Western Red Cedar and turn it into valuable lap siding with a lap siding jig I made for my Wood-Mizer LT35 hydraulic that uses the hydraulic log clamp to actuate the cant. In the excitement of making my first sawmill video, I paid more attention to camera placement than log placement. And now I've got to back out of my cut and shift the log so that my sawmill will pass over it. Unfortunately, it looks like there's some insect damage in this cant, so we'll see what we end up with. Might get some 8-footers out of it. Other than that, it's a pretty nice looking piece of Western Red Cedar. I think that's as hard as it looks. So with the log clamp in the clamped position, it holds the cant level with the blade, and when I release the clamp, it puts an angle on the cant so that I can make a cut, and after I come back through, I raise it back up, make a level cut, drop it down for a bevel cut, on and on and on. Nice, consistent, even cuts. We'll see how bad this bug damage is. Yeah, it starts right here. It's too bad. Yeah. Yeah, that's junk. Might be able to, nah. Bummer. Be okay, a little bit. Well, that's out of 15 boards. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that are solid. I can probably salvage some of the other ones, but it looks like I'm out of it now, so maybe I can get some more of it. You don't know what you're gonna get until you cut a tree open sometimes, but I think some of these boards I can salvage 6 or 8 feet of them anyway. The log was free, so anything I get out of it's good for me, and the boards that are good are really good. Since I wasn't able to get 2 8-inch cants out of that log, I made this one 5 5/8, and I'll cut it down into cedar fence boards. There's some more bug damage in this one, but again, anything I get out of it is good. I was able to get 20 12-foot fence boards. So cut in half, that's 40. And at the Home Depot here, they're $2.83 a piece for a 6-foot cedar fence board. And that's $113.20 out of a free piece of wood. Not bad.